The Philippine National Police will file charges against the common law wife of former President Duterte, Hanilet Abansenia. That's after a police officer suffered a swelling on her head after being struck by her cell phone. Here's the report.
In this video, common law wife of former President Duterte, Hanilet Abansenia, seemed to lose her temper with members of the Special Action Force who were restraining her as her daughter Kitty Duterte was taken away. One staff female officer was hit on the head when Abansenia struck her with a cell phone. The result, a large swelling on the forehead. She has been discharged from the hospital and is recovering. Although the PNP understood Abansenia's emotional outburst, they said it is unacceptable for Abansenia to have assaulted the staff personnel. They plan to charge the former president's partner with direct assault.
We exercise maximum tolerance po at wala pong nasaktan sa hanay po nila. Nandun po sila sa paligid po ng ating dating Pangulo, so kailangan lang po silang iigilid, iset aside para po makalapit po yung mga pulis po natin na mag-a-assist po kaya sa ating dating Pangulo.
Even former Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea may face charges from the PNP for obstruction of justice.
Ano ginawa ko? Nakatayo na ako dito. Bitawan mo ako. Ayaw mo na. Ayan, sir. Bitawan mo na ako. Artist ako.
He was immediately arrested by CIDG Director General Nicolas Torre, but Medialdea was released to accompany Duterte on the plane. In an interview with One News, The Big Story, Torre expressed belief that Medialdea's arrest was among the factors why Duterte decided to comply with the authorities.
Inaresto ko si E.S. Medialdea. Isusunod ko na sana yung isang niyang abogado, si Atty. Delgra. At pagkatapos ng pinahawi ko na yung asawa at anak, ay nag-soften si President Duterte. Dahil nakita niya na seryoso na ang sitwasyon.
Torre also said he is ready to face any charges filed against him for Duterte's arrest. He revealed that the former president made direct threats against him and expect to be sued by his family.
During the process, napakaraming mga sinabi si President Duterte doon. I will be sued by his children and his other family members. I just listen to him and tell him, yes sir, I do understand that. I'm fully aware of that. I'll just wait for it kung may gagawin nga sila and I'll just answer it.
Meantime, Torre denied allegation that some members of the police Torre denied allegations that some members of the police force have resigned following Duterte's arrest.
Sa ngayong araw na to, wala pa namang natatanggap ang aming Directorate for Personnel and Records Management Division para na nagsasabi na meron ng ganon.